Hello everyone, welcome to P Block Elements Class 12 Chemistry Group 18 Element Noble Gases. This is part second of the video. We shall learn about the trends in physical properties. Myself S. P. Ola, PGT Chemistry, Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan. Trends in physical properties. The first trend in the physical property is ionization enthalpy. Due to stable electronic configuration, these gases exhibit very high ionization enthalpy. However, it decreases down the group with increase in the atomic size. Dear students, as we know, helium is of smaller size, neon is of even larger size, and then argon, krypton, xenon, and radon, and so on. This is why, because as we move from top to bottom, size increases. And why this size increases? Due to number of increase in shells. So keep remember, as we move top to bottom, ionization enthalpy in the 18th group element decreases, but these have highest ionization enthalpy in the periodic table. Now, atomic radii. Atomic radii increases down the group with increase in atomic number. This is due to increase in the number of shells. As you know, when we move from this helium to radon, as you can see, the size is constantly increasing and increasing. Why this is increasing? We have studied just now that this is due to increase in the number of shells. Electron gain enthalpy. Dear students, as you know, electron gain enthalpy is the enthalpy change when an electron is added to gaseous isolated atom. Now, since noble gases have stable electronic configuration, so they have no tendency to accept electron, and therefore they have large positive value of electron gain enthalpy. That is, if electron is added to them, energy will be required because they have stable electronic configuration. Physical properties. Physical properties. All the noble gases are monoatomic, that is, they are found in single atomic form. For example, if you talk about helium, so it will exist as He. If you talk about neon, it will exist as Ne. Likewise, they are colorless, odorless, and tasteless gas. They are sparingly soluble in water, very little soluble in water. They have very low melting and boiling point. And why this is so? Because of the only type of interactive, that is interatomic interaction in these element, which is very weak dispersion forces. So remember all these things. This is very simple and very important. Physical properties of helium. Helium has the lowest boiling point. Helium is having the lowest boiling point, and what is this? This is 4.2 Kelvin. Remember, dear students, helium is having the lowest boiling point and its value is 4.2 Kelvin. It is an unusual property of diffusing through the most commonly used laboratory materials such as rubber, glasses, and the plastic. So remember, helium can diffuse through these items also. And finally, in the physical properties, I have given a table for you. So you can go through this table and you can correlate the things, like which one will have the higher atomic mass, which will have the larger atomic radii, which will have the larger enthalpy, and which of these gases have higher density, melting point, boiling point, and even the atmospheric content is given over here. Thank you very much, students. Thank you and have a nice day.